Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on activity for ads reporting on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Here you'll find privacy and data. Click on it, and here you will find activity for ads reporting. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.